Hello those, it's me Subash Kushwaha. After a long time we meet in this platform. So today I bring one of the fantastic and important video for you all. We all are operate the Facebook. Do you know the how to enable Facebook start option? So it's the easiest and important method to get that one. So we all are operated that one. So we need to know how to enable this start option, from where we can earn money easily. It's the easiest and simplest method, but you need to see this video from beginning to last. So don't skip. When you skip, you couldn't be get a proper knowledge about this one. I will teach you. I will show you step by step to enable the Facebook start option. So continue with this video. At first press on Facebook apps, and then after it will open. So like this one, and press on profile button. Then you can say professional mode, open professional mode. Then monetization option, click on monetization option. Then I get the start option here, so I do just setup. So press on get started. Then after I need to fill up something here, like what's your name, first name. Then after legal second name, last name. My last name is Kushwaha. So I will set up my birth of day. Then after I choose the country, from which country I belong. So sorry, firstly I need to do that one. 2000. Then after choose country, which country you belong. Nepal. Press on next. Then after choose what is your business type. I have individual. Then after next. And then after primary address, what is your address? Address should be mentioned here. So then after which city you belong, enter the city name. And then choose the provincial name, from which zone you belong. Then fill up contact numbers. There is not should be a put a postal no code. It's not compulsory to put that one. I fill up everything, email address. Then after GPay, just put the like 00 and something like that one. Otherwise you have postal code, you can put here. If you have PAN number, then put here. Otherwise not need to put that one. Then after enter VAT number. What is your VAT number? Put your VAT number. Then after press on next button. So if you want to link your account number, PayPal account, then you can account, but I will do later. So I press on add later. So done. Now I have started the start option. So I will go in my setting. I will show from there. So my notification bar. So guys, come on, notification. You can see here you can earn money from your content with a star. So TikTok star option has been enabled here. So finally guys, you can see a star option has been enabled, like there's give option. So it's a bonus or a star option. So now I can earn easily money from. And please like, comment. If there's any mistake, please suggest me. I will improve that one. And thanks for watching. And please share and subscribe my channel to get a new uploaded video like that one. So thank you for that one.